You are looking for an automation tool for Instagram that allows you to manage multiple Instagram accounts and perform all functions of the Instagram platform automatically. I will introduce you to a tool that is very easy to download and install, and once you install it, the settings are already configured to be automatic by default. I can utilize numerous Instagram accounts here. If you wish to log into multiple accounts, simply choose those accounts and then log into each one yourself. The Instagram accounts will log in. Check out the animated demonstration of the process. The Instagram accounts will start logging in, and each of these accounts will operate in a separate and independent Chrome tab, completely unrelated to each other. These accounts will automatically log into your accounts and save the information for you. You only need to log in once. You won't have to log in again. It saves a copy automatically. Should you wish to employ these accounts for extensive use and want to utilize a proxy, choose all the accounts you need and then just insert the proxy accordingly. And input your proxy string here, formatted as IP port if you have one. Then you select the number of accounts that can function on one proxy address. For instance, if you want 3 accounts to operate on a single proxy, set it to 3, but if you only want 1, just set it to 1, and remember to save the details. And now I will demonstrate all the features present on the Instagram platform, which are already available in this software, including sending messages for interaction or sending. Other features like follow spam, or features related to Reels, or features for changing account information. All features are already available in this software. Let me first explain a feature to you, for example, the spam posting feature. Please pay attention here. We only need to configure these parameters just one time. For example, if you wish to spam all posts, I might ask for 5 posts and then wait. Then you need to enter the link to the post you require here. If you want to express emotions, if you wish to include comments, please enter them here. After that, you can add the content again. So you have completed a script, and if you want to request the script to run, check the correct script. All automated software will control. Every account you possess will function based on the interactions and scripts you've requested. This software is quite simple and helps you automate tasks, saving time. If you enjoy using it, I will be here to help you.